A hearty welcome to all of you. Let's start the next topics of our chapter, microorganisms, friends and foes. So in this part, we are going to study and learn about protozoa, another category of microorganisms. We'll see what are the characteristics of protozoans, what are their habitats, and what is the cellular structure of protozoa. Protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled organisms. It means they are unicellular. Their whole body is made up of one cell only. Most of them can be seen only under a microscope. So we can say that they are microscopic. They are found in water as well as damp places. They are mostly aquatic organisms and therefore they are found in sea, freshwater, moist soil, etc. They are found in the water bodies in the form of planktons, and some of the protozoans, they live in the bodies of animals and they live there as parasites because they are living inside the body of a living organism. They survive there as parasites. They obtain their nutrition from the host body. This is the cellular structure of amoeba. This is a protozoan. It is unicellular and its body is irregular in shape. And you must have studied about it that it moves inside the water bodies by forming pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are the false legs. If you split this term pseudopodium, you will find two words. Pseudo means false and podium refers to legs. So it forms false legs when it wants to move or it wants to capture its prey. The cellular structure of amoeba is the outermost covering of its body is plasma lemma. This is a thin membrane, and inside the plasma lemma is the fluid of the cell, which is called cytoplasm. There are number of food vacuoles which store and digest the food which is engulfed by this protozoan. In the center is present the prominent nucleus, and these irregular formations are the pseudopodium or the false legs of this organism, by means of which it moves inside the water bodies as well as it catches its prey. This is another protozoan and it is paramecium. This paramecium is also called as slipper animal. And why this is called as slipper animal? Let's have a look at the shape of this animal and you will find that its shape resembles the sole of a slipper. So this is the reason why it is called as the slipper animal, because its shape resembles the sole of a slipper. Now let's have a look at its cellular structure. Its outermost covering is again the plasma lemma, as we have seen in case of amoeba. Then inside is the fluid which is cytoplasm. Then you must have seen a long buccal cavity. This buccal cavity is the mouth cavity. Buccal refers to mouth. So this is the mouth cavity through which it catches its prey. Then there are number of food vacuoles, and these vacuoles are responsible for the digestion of the food or the prey which it has engulfed. Then you can see a number of small minute hair-like structures present all over the surface of its body, and these minute hair-like structures are cilia. These cilia help in the movement of this organism, and it also helps paramecium to catch its prey. When it catches its prey and it enters the buccal cavity or the mouth cavity, the cilia present inside the mouth cavity helps that prey to get inside the food vacuole directly, and where it gets digested. In the center is the prominent nucleus. There can be two nuclei also. One is the bigger one, which is called the macronucleus, and the other one is the smaller one, which is the micronucleus. So this is the structure of paramecium, and these are all the facts about protozoa. Thank you.